Where the Alabaster coast meets the Atlantic, the earth doesn't crumble, it defies. We begin at the Plage d'Étretat, a crescent of millions of smooth pebbles polished by centuries of relentless tides. This was the muse of Monet, where deep turquoise waves crash against blinding white chalk. Listen to the heavy drag of the sea against the stones. It is the heartbeat of Normandy, unchanged for 1,000 years. Now, we lift our gaze toward the north, rising slowly to meet the towering summit of La Falaise des Monts. This is the Alabaster coast in its purest form, a colossal wall of white chalk rising vertically from the churning Atlantic below. Notice the layers of time etched into the cliff face, hundreds of feet of compressed history, standing defiant against the northern winds. Up here, on the very edge of France, the world feels vast, and we feel very small. The grass on the plateau grows thin and hardy, bowing to a wind that never truly stops. Look down the sheer face of the precipice. There is no shore here, only the raw collision of stone and sea. The white chalk drops away into an abyss of turquoise and emerald, where the tide carves deep, hidden hollows into the base of the giant. It is a slow-motion masterpiece of nature. Erosion is the artist here, using the hammer of the waves to sculpt these arches and needles over thousands of years. Every stone, every flint pebble, is a remnant of a coastline that is constantly, silently changing. From this height, the horizon stretches out in a perfect, unbroken curve. The English Channel is a mirror of silver, reflecting a sky that shifts from soft blue to a haunting, misty gray. Take a breath and feel the scale of it. The silence of the heights, the roar of the surf far below, and the timeless, unyielding presence of the cliffs. As the light begins to golden, the white cliffs glow with a final, ghostly brilliance. Ancient, eternal, unyielding. This is the edge of France. This is the spirit of Normandy.